rain tree. Decent exterior, possible roof leak right over the front door. No garage, full 2 up, bedrooms 2 down, maybe some work on that front window there. Full paint, full carpet. There's the roof issue. Up to the kitchen. Back deck needs work, no AC unit. Here's 2 bedrooms up. Just wood coming off around the door. Just apparently there's 6 people living in this house, so just needs a bunch of work. And then downstairs, common living space, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. In the bathroom, and a little storage room that has the AC and the hot water heater and air handler. Here's the other little bedroom.